Samsung giving a huge surprise to their old customer. As you know, the Galaxy S24 series launch. On the 17th of January 2024, the new Galaxy S24 series come with many AI features, like live call, translate to wallpaper generation to writing better emails, and many AI features in the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now, this all AI features coming to Samsung older devices according to the official announcement on Samsung.com. Galaxy AI features are officially coming with one US 6.1 for Galaxy S23 series, the Fold 5 and Flip 5 and Tab S9 series. The update will roll out from the end of March. It's mean you don't need a buy S24 series for new AI features. This all AI features coming Samsung older device, and this update is completely worth it. So your phone don't lag or slow. The new update will also fix the a lot of issue in the Galaxy 24 series. And also, this new update will enhance the camera capabilities. In the news, the S24 Ultra has broken a record DxO Mark test, the S24 Ultra display, and according to him, the best display that they have ever tested on a smartphone, followed by the Galaxy S24 and the S24 Plus. Samsung is face controversy related to Vivid Display, but now Samsung fix all issue in the next update related to Vivid Display. As you know, the S24 display is a very excellent for those who like to make it more saturated or more vibrant. That update is coming very soon. So this all like and subscribe for more details